Yeah, what's up, my people? I go by the name of that's a.k.a. the gbagyi rapper #1. Thank you all, Niger State, for having me and for all the things you gave to me. God bless you. Don't worry, this year you're going to be seeing more of my gbagyi raps. Thanks for acknowledging me as the gbagyi rapper #1. Shout out to Not Place Group. You guys are doing well. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping my gbagyi flows back to back. Just believe me when I say so. Now, thanks for the baby you gave to me. Everybody follow me, come see my baby, my new baby, so precious to me. Wow, here's my baby, my mommy, my baby, I love you so much. Wow, wow, wow. R&B artist of the year. More than nobody when I go hear word. Gbagyi to the world. Gbagyi to the world. Don't worry, more coming next year. Promise to work hard. We're gonna be hearing more of my gbagyi raps this year. I'm going to be dropping them back to back. This is my baby. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Love you all.